guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's nice to have you. Feel free to check out my other YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making Alright, so let's go over the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our teriyaki sauce. So here I have, let me just shift this to the side here. Here I have a bottle of tamari. This is a gluten-free soy sauce. So we're going to be needing one cup of this. We're going to be using half cup of apple cider vinegar. We're going to use a half cup of apple juice. We're using a quarter teaspoon of sesame oil. We're going to need a half cup of brown sugar. We're going to need, I'm going to be using a half teaspoon of ginger powder, and I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to do it over the heat. Now, you don't necessarily have to do this. I mean, if you want to just do it cold and just keep on stirring the sugar until it dissolves, you can do that. But I'm going to do it over the heat so that the heat helps to dissolve the sugar. Okay? So I have my measuring cup here. So let me measure out 1 cup of the tamari. This is a soy sauce. This is a gluten-free soy sauce. Now I'm going to put a half cup of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple juice, you can use pineapple juice. So I'm going to put a half cup of apple juice. My half cup of sugar. Ginger powder. And the garlic doesn't want to come out. All right, so I'm just going to stir this until the sugar dissolves. Now, if you want to thicken up your teriyaki sauce further, you can leave it longer on the heat. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it on the heat as long, just for the process of the sugar dissolving, and then I'm going to take it off the heat. But if you want a thicker sauce, then you can leave it on the heat a little longer. There you have it, folks, our homemade teriyaki sauce. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.